Guide to reading sewing measuring tape increment based on 1/8 inches. This is the simplest method on how to read the sewing measuring tape. When we have 1/8 in 8 places, we have our full 1 inches. From here to here, we have 1/8. That is 1 times 1/8. We have 1/8 of an inch. From here to here, which is 1/8 in 2 places, 1/8, 1/8. So that is 2 times 1/8, which we have 1/4 of an inch. So on this very line is 1/4 of an inch. So from here to here is 1/8 in 3 places, 1, 2, 3. That is 3 times 1/8, and 3 times 1/8 is 3/8 of an inch. So we have 3/8 of an inch here. So from here to here is 1/8 in 4 places, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 4 times 1/8, which gives us 1/2. So on this very line we have half of an inch, and here we have 1/8 in 5 places, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 times 1/8, which we have 5/8 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is 6 times 1/8, which we have 3/4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 times 1/8 is 7/8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 1/8 is still 1. If you like this video, consider subscribing and watch out for more. Thanks.